That switch is coming out. In. But first, come listen to my podcast. Ho, ho, ho. One there, and let's get this little cover off and see if there's a screw back there too. One Losum screw behind the cover, which I used and just popped right out with this guy. Right in between the crack and popped it right out. So, there is no other feel, nothing else. So let's grab from the corner and pull. A bunch of them stayed. This one stayed. That came out. That one popped out, and it's right there on the floor. And we're going to go right here. If you go right there, pull this little tab out, another one on the other side, should pop out the whole handle. That's what we want to get at. Now, one harness. So with it turned upside down, fixing the push pin, it looked like it could pop out from outside, but if you look closely, there's a screw right there. And good thing I went this way, because it looks like you gotta take a bunch of screws out to get this switch out. So let's get the screws out and see how it actually comes out. So with all the screws out, we still are snagged up. This one can fit with the drill down that way. But we got this. So we gotta start pulling and see where and what is first and what's last. And there you go. So I turned it upside down so I could see it from this side. And there's a tab right here, a tab right here. This is also a tab that locks it into place. So in theory, you can still pull it out, which is what I did. You see the whole thing. So this is actually upside down. So this goes back this way. See the whole panel. Okay. It actually locks into place. So with that out of the way, whoop, now we can take the switches out. So let's get these guys unscrewed, unclipped, so we can get some room pulling this guy out. See? It's locked into place. Just harnesses. Come on. It gives you more room. So let's get the screws out. Here's the port number. Get the screws out and make sure this is the right way of doing it. Hey, look, it's in my hand. So these three, 1, 2, 3 holes sit right smack dab in front of you, which I already removed, obviously. So they are 1, 2, 3. Let's put them back. I'll show you how to get this little guy off. If it doesn't come all in one piece, I don't know if that's the part number, but I don't see anything else. So what I did was pretty simple, actually. You see how the hole's there? Put my finger this way, pushed. As I pushed these, see? They lock it into place. Okay. So one side, obviously with 2 hands. You want to push this in the gap and push from the other side. Got it? Good. Let's put it back. So all you're doing is aligning the tabs, right? See right here? Now let's come on this side. Pull it. Okay. It's easy with 2 hands. Listen for the snap, crackle, and pop. See, puts it all back in. So, let's put the screws back. All this one, I'll show you. And don't forget the last one. This one. Done. Now, flip it over. Put it back. Because we were never here. So, we're going to say like it, don't like it. All you got to do is line it back up. Okay. Share, don't share. Subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.